Iya, Kobe. Oke,
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
A very good morning to all. On behalf of TDODC, I extend my warm welcome to all the newly elected honorable MPs and each one of you present here. Namaste, Kulunka. In exercise of the powers conferred by the TTADC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to issue orders for due constitution of the newly elected district council, and in accordance with Rule 166(1), Srimati Sankri Das, LR and Secretary Law, Government of Tripura is hereby authorized to administer the call for affirmation to the newly elected members of the district council. I would like to request Srimati Sankri Das, LR and Secretary Law and Government of Tripura to initiate the process of administering the oath or affirmation to the newly elected honorable members of the district council. Now, I would like to call upon the newly elected honorable members to come on the stage one by one for taking oath or affirmation to the Constitution of India. First, I call upon Sri Bhavaranjan Riyam, 1 Kamchara Kampui ST.
Angmutang Bhavaranjan Riyam, DD di sini atau dengan member sekretariat Subagani Mumbai, Ismail Kamu, ya ini tapi mengpakai bangun pakai India di Constitution ni de I'm studi kami putih de ake ini abai de kamu kamu mengenai ma di bagian ani
그래서
Now, now I call upon Srimati Manju Rani Sarkar to march march. As she is absent, now I call upon Sri Shailendra Nath, Sri Dasda Kanchanpur.
그거는
Now I call upon Sri Ratish Tripura, Port Karmachara ST.
아우 아니가 그리야 사전동 붙었다고 박노카 아 오늘 여러분 이거 또 먹어지 마요
Kongkapa Labuno
눈을
Kakandi
비쳤으면
Mungkui Kamatami Kako Kako Ke Kuitunarbi Kamatami Kako Kalau Nalabani Mungkui Haga Kerong Kuitu Kubui Korok Korok Kumui Ano Wakjadi Kongmani Kamu Kabai Kubai Karnai
그 뒤전도 나하면하고 그런 때문에 저거도 저기 노카
Now I call upon Sri Ismail Joy Tripura, Bhai Chamanu. Now I call upon Sri Hollywood Chakma, 6 Manu Chelenta.
노카 아니 특별한 에이
Tangmo Tangma ত্রিপুরা উপজাতি জেলা প্রশাসন ও জেলা পরিষদের নকশায় করছে আগামী যাদের বোঝেন উত্তর নামে খবর গতি দমন মুই এই নদী ভারতের সংবিধানের পুকুরে একামনে প্রতিন দিচ্ছে আর আদিম মগৈতে মুই ভারতের সার্বভৌমত্ব আর জদায় রক্ষে করি আর মুই যে দায়িত্ব গতি দমন প্রতিন বিচ্ছেদর লগে বলে তাদের সাথে
Now I call upon Sri Dhirendra Debbarma, 7 Denchara Kachuchara.
그래서 뭐가 그러네 뭐 hanya kayak pokok ini.
Nadi.
Ang Musang Director Department Different Private Areas Autonomous District Council ni Adong Unggui Tongkat Maya Dulu Kaitoni Unggui Sumai Kangwis atau Kurakti Poito Kenargui Sumai Kangwis atau Parot Elembati Disingti Ada Kerongno Poito Kubui Orok Pomui Ang Wajagui Kongmani Samungno Abai Kubai Tangai
Now I call upon Sri Katrachur Yang, 8 Ganganagar, Gandachara.
Out, out. Hari di situ. Kamu.
Ang Musang Sampradiri yang Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni kehar tui pangkiye tunjuk paimon yok wo isono duai laye semai tang ye satawo abono te krok kiye au ye semai tang satawo parot hakko bai snam tunjuk mo pa kerong rai darauno mukha bai hak ye mukho bom jaye ani satawo pau tunjuk mo samung rauno ang abai Kubai ke tangai.
Now I call upon Sri Prashmit Verma, 9 Halali Ashram Bari.
Out kita.
Ang Musang Prashmit Deborma Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Adong Unggui Tongkamani Yagulo Mahaduri Munggui Sumai Tanggui Sajawo Gerakke Putu Nargui Sumai Tanggui Sajawo Barokni Elembati Disingtui Hajar Kerangno Putu Kubui Horok Pomui Ano Bokjagui Tongmani Samungno Habai Kubai Tangai Hambai
Now I call upon Sri Rajeshwar Verma, 10 Kulai Chandra.
Nuk jage. Narthale. Mana ni? Mana ni? Nama dia.
Mutang Rajeshwar Dapama, Ibra Travel Career Nomad Council, Adam Ungai, Tongjama Yamalo, Kaitonis, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Grake Kutu Narade, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Baro Yambaki Shinki, Adat, Karangno, Kutu, Ubui, Barom, Bomui, Anu Baktakma, Tongmani Samuno, Abai Kubai Tangan, Amai.
Ang tanong ka. Oy. Siyan na ba yun?
Now, I call upon Sri Utpadya Burma, 11 Maharani Purtoliyama.
No, sina. Okay.
Ang Muntah Department, the tribal area of Nomad District Council, Adong Ikongat at Yapo. Terakhir Kutu Narade, Maitani Sakau. Barang Elamat, Sinti, Hadak Erano, Kuitu Kui. Orang Omoi. Anak Pokak Panis Kamu. Dok Habek Kubai Kaknya.
Now, I call upon Sri James Burma, 12 Ramchandra Ghat.
I, Mufang, James Devona, Chupaya Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adam Ungwi, Chongzakmaya Gula, Taikonis Sumai Tangi, Grakya Puerto Naradin, Sumai Tangi Hazao, Para Elembakni, Bisimpu, Hazak Yarabla, Puerto Kumui, Khorok Bongui, Ana Bagzagui, Tongmani Samuno, Kabai Kubai Tangai, Wada Johamai.
Kan no, sina. Ha? Oh, dito.
Now, I call upon Sri Ravindra Burma, 13 Simna Kamakar.
Ano gado? Yan yung camera. Display mo yan.
Department, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous Council, Adong, Tonggoi, Tongjatma, Yagro, Kaitoni Mungoi, Samai Tangis Hao, Maro, Elambakni, Isintui, Hadak, Erano, Hoito, Hobui, Korok Homui, Ano, Hokjagoi, Tongmani, Hamuno, Habai, Hobai, Anna. Now, I call upon Sri Dunya Department, 14, Vicham Nagar, Rocky Nagar.
I would thank Union Department, the Tribal Areas Autonomous Council, Adong Mungi, Tongjatma, Yagulo, Kaitoni Sumai Tangai, Sadawo, Virat Poito, Narake Sumai Tangi Sadawo, Baro, Elambagni Pisinti, Hazak Kerono, Poito Kupui, Koromui, Amo Oksaki, Tongmano Samuno, Abai Kupai, Tangai, Abai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jagdish Department, 15, Jirania ST.
Okay. Look, bro.
Namaskar, Jagadish Jago, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Adong Mungi, Tongjatma Yagro, Ishmaduni Munti Sumai Tangi, Sadaw, Trakte Puito Nalgai, Sumai Tangi Sadaw, Baro, Elambakni, Isinti, Hazak Kerono, Puito Kubui, Korok Bomui, Ano, Wakjagui Tongmani, Samuno, Kabai, Hobai, Tangai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jitendra Department, 16, Mandai Nagar, Kulinpur.
and with the assistance of the former, the tribal area from District Council, Adong Mungi, Tongjatma Yagro, Kaitoni Mungi Sumai Tangi Sadawo, Trakte Puito Nalgai, Sumai Tangi Sadawo, Baro Elambakni Isinti, Hazak Kerono, Puito Kubui, Korok Homui and Hokjagui, Tongmani Samuno, Abai Kubai, Tangai, Hambat.
Now, I call upon Srimati Deepa Department, 17, Pekwar Jala, Jannajoy Nagar ST.
Masakti kita Deporma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ni, Hadam Jut Mungai, Chongdak Paniya Gulo, Kaidoni Mungai, Berakit Samai Kami Hadawo, Barat Hakotuni Kilembak ni Fishing Tree, Hajab Keramo Kuito Saul, Kubui Kodok Bomoi, Ano Bogdamani Baca Ebas Kamungo, Habai Kubaino Karna, Josono.
Now, I call upon Sri Suraj Dev Verma, 18 Takarzela Jambuja.
Macam Suraj Deverma, Tripura Sab Bodo Pai, Bosa Angkor Pok Sab, Adon Ungle, Somdamaya, Kaito di Bugis, Mai Sado, Trakwe Poito Narve, Mai Sado, Barot Elam Hab, Isinti Ata Kirami Poito, Ubui, Pok Norpai, Ano Pok Somani, Somani Samana, Sabai Ubai.
Now, I call upon Sri Buddha Kumar Dev Verma, 19 Amtali, Dolagat.
I, Machan Buddha Kumar Dev Verma, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Adon Ungle, Somchakma Yagulo, Kaitunis Samai Tangle, Hazaro, Berakhe Puito Naragwe, Samai Tangle, Hazaro, Barot Elam Nagwe Bishinkoi, Hazar Keromno, Puito Kubui, Hor Bomoi, Ano, Boksare, Palmane, Hamono, Habai Kubai Tangle. Belanya Hazar.
Now, I call upon Sri Purna Chandra Jamatia, 20 Pillarapa.
Ang Poteton Rotomatia, di sini atau Maya Kolot, Maya Kolot, Matai Kotor, Papa Korea Mangui, Smai Tangui Sadau, Barat Kotor ni Elembak, Kata Kerama Ang Kotor Payu, Di Ani Takawai Kat Kodano, Kabai Kubai, Bakro Kongui Samantangai, Amu.
Now, I call upon Sri Chandrakumar Jamatia, 21, Maharani, Telangana.
I, Sri Chandrakumar Jamatia, having been elected a member of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Volunteer.
Now, I call upon Sri David Mura Singh, 22, Kataria, Mirza Rajapur.
Muchang David Murasi, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Lukurat by Samjat Adam Ungui Samjatma Yagulo Sini Mutairot Tay Bala Horicham Tay Kaitorni Sumai Tangui Sajau Gerakte Tuitanaragui Sumai Tani Sajau Barot Hakutorni Elambaki Bisingkuri Khazak, Kerongno, Puito Kubui, Korok Bomoi, Ano, Borsari, Tongmani, Samuna, Harai, Kubai, Pangai. Jai Bhagwan, Jai Prasad, Jai Khansa, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Jai Bhut, Vande Mataram.
Now, I call upon Sri Kamal Kanai, 23, Ampi Nagar.
I, Sri Kamal Kanai, having been elected a member of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of the God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you.
Now, I call upon Sri Dhananjay Tripura, 24, Rahima Vedi.
Ang Musang Bahanga Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ने आधा हुए चौंका या बोलो काइटोनिस समाज कांग्रेस का जो ग्राफिक को नारगो समाज कांग्रेस का जो भारत एलन बाद में उसी पे हजारी हजार केरला कोई तो दुबई पर बोंबो यानो वंजारे कमाई सामना काबाई दुबई कांग्रेस
Now, I call upon Sri Sujoy Uchoy, 25 Nutan Bazar, Malbasa.
Sujoy Uchoy, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Pohatui from Saya Layakna, Vishwani Mumbai Soita Kawoi, Boy Katu Mumbai, Akan Karo Ye, India Hami, Roito Royan Tomudoi Maninai, Ake Amje Tamna Kaitumi, Abuna Hati Chuk Mumbai Samukana, Hata.
Now, I call upon Sri Kenaram Riyang 26, Veer Chandra Nagar, Kalash. Now, I call upon Sri Debajit Tripura 27, Purba Mozipur, Buratani.
Tentang Deputi Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Adam Mungui, Songsak Mayagolo, Kaitani Mungui, Samai Kangai Sasago, Barat Elevat Divisikte Haza Kerokno Puju Kubui Orang Kubui Ano Boksa Bui Kompani Sabungno Kabai Kubui Katai Abai.
Now, I call upon Sri Anjam Mom 28 Silachari Manu Bankul. All members have taken oath in accordance with the provisions of the TTIDC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985. I would like to convey my sincere thanks and congratulations to all the honorable members on completion of the oath-taking ceremony. I also convey thanks to all the officers for their cooperation in successfully organizing the oath-taking ceremony. Now, I would like to announce that under Rule 17.1711/1, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to appoint Sri Jagdish Debbarma, elected MDC, to preside over the proceedings of the first meeting of the newly elected council. I call upon Honorable Member Sri Jagdish Debbarma to take his chair to preside over the first meeting and advance the further proceedings. Thank you.
Officials to the first meeting of the 9th TTADC. As per conduct of business rules, to the first meeting of official the Autonomous District Council Chairman and Chief Executive Member elected Elani Tamani. Jasapana Kasha Karune, Tini Official Chairman TTADC and Official Chief Executive Member elected Khajaria. বলবাগই পরবর্তী সময়ে তেরোশা সিটি কংগ্রেস খাজাবি কতাল চেয়ারম্যান তাই সিএম চন্দ্রভাই বলবাগই গভর্নর ভাই FM খাজা প্রেসিডিং অফিসার হিসেবে অবহানি দায়িত্ব অবন সাগলাইনেন তবে তিনি চিফ এক্সিকিউটিভ অফিসার তিনি সময় programnya baik anai, bukan anai, handal.